Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In this episode, we delve into Nvidia's potential game-changer with SoundHound investment, the market implications of a crucial earnings report, and GE leading the charge in big-cap industrials. We'll also discuss Unity's merger talks with Windstream that has investors buzzing, the impact of inflation pressures on real estate and major indices, and a surprising drop in crypto money laundering in 2023. Rounding up our financial news are Coinbase, Robinhood, and CleanSpark making waves as this week's top financial gainers. Stay tuned after this short ad break to unpack these headlines further. Semiconductor titan Nvidia has made investments in a number of firms related to artificial intelligence. This includes SoundHound AI, a company specializing in voice recognition. Industry experts suggest that this action bolsters Nvidia's standing in the ongoing AI revolution and may indicate potential future investments. SoundHound has been supported by Nvidia since 2017 and is predicted to make substantial progress within the AI chatbot market sector. Additional investments have been made into ARM Holdings, Too Simple, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and NanoX Imaging.
Goldman Sachs has marked Nvidia's forthcoming earnings report as pivotal, predicting an 11% market shift. This possible profit or deficit is equivalent to the 37th biggest share in the S&P 500, a scenario last observed in 2021. Goldman further highlights a rise in call options trading and amplified online interest in call options.
This week witnessed a 7.1% rise in General Electric shares, the most significant gain among large-cap industrial stocks. Despite the broader market experiencing declines, there was a 0.9% increase in the Industrial Select Sector SPDR ETF. On the other hand, worries about inflation and Federal Reserve rate changes resulted in negative outcomes for both S&P 500 and Dow Industrials Average. In contrast, Deere shares experienced a substantial drop due to unsatisfactory full-year forecasts, while Boeing faced challenges with quality control and more stringent regulations.
Unity Group, a company that owns telecommunications towers, experienced an increase of 5.5% in trading after the market closed. This was due to reports suggesting possible merger discussions with Windstream. The suggested deal would be based on stock and would maintain Unity's status as a publicly listed company. However, it's important to note that no agreement has been finalized yet, and there is a possibility that these discussions may end without any deal being made.
Inflation pressures have resulted in a minor decrease in real estate stocks this week. Both the Producer Price Index and Consumer Price Index experienced a higher than anticipated rise in January, thereby diminishing the likelihood of a rate cut in May. Major market indices such as the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 also experienced a drop. However, despite these circumstances, CBRE Group, a real estate services provider, along with healthcare real estate investment trust Welltower, witnessed gains due to robust Q4 results.
In the year 2023, there was a significant decrease of 29.5% in cryptocurrency transactions associated with illegal activities. Chainalysis reports that the amount laundered fell to $22.2 billion from $31.5 billion in the preceding year. This decline is credited to a reduction in crypto trading volume and heightened regulatory oversight, inclusive of U.S. sanctions on services utilized for money laundering purposes. However, it's important to note that cybercriminals persistently modify their strategies by employing new obfuscation services and decentralized finance protocols.
The top financial gainers this week included cryptocurrency firms CleanSpark and Coinbase Global, insurers Mercury General Corporation and Kinsale Capital Group, along with the retail trading platform Robinhood Markets. However, not all companies saw gains. Upstart, Bright House Financial, Moody's Corporation, Freedom Holding, and FactSet Research Systems experienced declines. Despite these losses, financial stocks concluded on a positive note overall, with the Financial Select Sector SPDR exchange-traded fund outperforming the S&P 500. And that's a wrap for today's The Daily Business and Finance Show. Remember, the market never sleeps, but you should. Stay informed, stay invested. Farewell till tomorrow. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.